Hello, welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today's video, a skincare review testing tutorial video on a product that I literally haven't tried, so this will be literally a first review. But before we get into the product and what we can do with it and how it works, I just want to go through the nitty gritty stuff first, which is if you like the product, the video in general, then let me know by giving it a massive thumbs up. It tells me what you like, tells me what you want to see. Other people like it, other people see it or like it, and the video go round and it gives me feedback. So please come and join the tazwells12 YouTube journey and the love family by hitting the subscribe button on the top of my main page. Hit the bell notification button too, and you can be notified of when I've uploaded a new video. Comment down on the video of anything that you like, suggestions, ideas, or what you like in this video. Comment down below and I will 100% comment back to you and like your comment every single time. Please click the share button down below and share it with your friends and family. If this is a product they've looked at or they're interested in skincare, then definitely click it down below and share it with them. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands that I am or will do mention in this video. It's just what I fancied, what I wanted to buy, an advice video for you guys, so no sponsor at all. Please check out my two accounts on Instagram of tazwells12 and tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. Now we will get into the skincare review testing tutorial video. This is a brand new product. I've had a little while actually, but I've always wanted to do a review on it, and I've tried to not get it out the drawer and just try it on my face. It is brand new because it's still got its packaging I need to take off. So this was actually from Savers, but it's actually from Skin Treats. Skin Treats do a face mask. I think they do some products, and this is one of them. So this is the Twist and Mask Banana Clay Mask. I want to see if it smells like banana. The colour is insane. I think there was a few fruity ones, but I want to see if this actually is, if it's got the scent of banana, because I love anything with like banana in it. So it's over 15 applications. There's 30 ml in here. No mess masking because it's obviously in this little twistable tube. I'm just going to take the outer layer off. So satisfying taking that outer layer off because I've wanted to use this for a little while. So there is instructions on the back. There's a hashtag my skin treat. So this is a purifying Benetone and Cologne clay mask infused with banana extract to refresh and nourish the skin. Directions: wash face with warm water and dry with a clean towel. Twist and apply an even amount and layer of mask, avoiding the eyes, lips and hairline. Seal the container to use again. Leave the mask for 10 to 15 minutes and relax, but don't forget that selfie. Rinse the mask off with warm water and pat face dry with a towel. It looks really simple. I can't remember how much this was, but when I saw it was banana, like I said, I had to go for it. I'm just gonna go and wash my face, clip it up, go and do the first steps, and then I'll come back and we can apply the mask and we can see what the texture is and what it's like, if there's a smell, you know that jazz. I have just done the first step. I've just put some water over my face, lukewarm, and I've just patted it with like a towel. I'm gonna twist the top off. Okay, it has got a cap on the top. And I'm guessing we just twist it up to get some of the product up. As you can see there, we'll do like that for now because I don't want to twist it up too much and then we're not going to use it. So I am just going to draw it on my face as it said. Oh, I think there is a smell to it. Oh my god, look at it, it's bright yellow. Oh my god, it smells a bit like aniseed. A bit weird. It's very cool though, like just to it'd be like really easy if you wanted to take a mask anywhere. So I'm just gonna go all over the face, like not near the eyes and stuff. Might have to get a bit of the product on my finger and actually put it into the, like, into the zones like you normally do. So if I warm it up on my finger like that, and then just go in the T-zone, because that is where I need a mask sometimes. Yeah, if I just like rub it in, because some areas are like easier to get than others, like that. I'm just going to whack this on my face and then we can actually talk about the product a little bit more. I've got it in my hairline, but it doesn't matter. I'm a brunette, it's not going to matter in my hair. Yeah, it's very tricky to get it in some areas. Just put it in my eyebrow a little bit. It's getting like dust on it for some reason. I don't know. Can you see like dust particles? I don't know where they've come from. There's definitely, it's not a banana scent. I wouldn't say it's banana. I'd say it's more aniseed. It's kind of weird. Do you know what? I actually look like Simpson. Which is okay. I'm not that mad about. I try not to get it near my eyes as much as possible, but I am doing this with my finger as well, because I feel like some of it is missing. Like, I like good coverage of a mask, if that makes sense. So I will probably have a yellow finger after this, but I hope not, because my face will be yellow. But I am trying to get all in like the T-zone sort of bits on my nose, because I know that I've got some pores I need to clean out. So that's that. I'm just gonna wipe my finger off and then see how easy it is to get off. This is the finger that it did have the colour on, and now it's absolutely just come off. I didn't even have to use any soap in that, which was really easy. The thing that popped off when I was doing it was this little cap. So I'm guessing you can re-screw this down and then just put this cap back on. Yep. And then put the lid on it. So there is a scent to it, but for me, it smells like aniseed. You can't smell it on your face, so once it's on your face, you can't really smell it. But to me, that smells a little bit like aniseed. Aniseed like sambuca smell. Not a big, strong smell, but not what I thought it was going to smell like. I thought it was going to smell like a fake banana smell, or like, you know, the foam banana smell, like the foam banana sweets. I thought it was going to smell like that. What else has confused me of this product is because, so there's like a wheel in this that you like screw it up. So you can see what I've like screwed it up to go up. But what's this yellow bit down there? So is that a bit of product to like that I'm never going to get hold of, and that's not going to go up with everything else? Strange. This is what it looks in general, and this is what it looks like on my face. I did have to like get it to warm it up with my finger and put in certain areas, because it was just not going. It's very good for like your cheeks and like anything that's like not big, but like anything that's quite flat and easy to go over. But apart from that, if you want it all like in your eyebrows, like I put it a bit here, very, very hard to get into. But I am going to leave it for the 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'll be back and we can see if it's changed, if I've got any irritation from it, and then we will wash it off and we'll see what it's like then. Back. The face mask has been on 15 minutes. There's been no really irritation to my skin, to be honest, so that's a good point. But there has been like a tiny little smell of like smelly feet. It's like a stench you can smell up your nose, and I cannot get rid of it. It literally smells like a bit like smelly feet. I went near Gizmo, which is our cat, and he was just like sniffing my face, like proper sniffing it. So, and he was even like, I was just near him and he was like this, and I was like, is it my face? And then I went near him and he was absolutely proper sniffing it. So I think there's a stench of like smelly feet here going on. Don't know what that's all about, but we are going to wash it off, and then I can see like how my face is like underneath. My face is not yellow, so that is a good sign, but there was some things I kind of noticed when I was washing it off. I literally just washed it in some like warmish to hotish water, because I love that on my face. I think that's so nice. I just used an old flannel, basically an old washcloth, because I thought if there is a little bit of staining, it's going to stain the cloth. So I didn't use my nice one. I used a bit of a old one, and there was a bit of a staining on the cloth. I don't think it'll stay on there. I think it'll be fine like once you've washed it, but there is like a bit of residue on the cloth. Also, when I was putting the cloth in the water, I had to take off like so much every so often, and then there was like a yellow residue in the water, so there's definitely like colouring within the product. I also felt at the time my face is like, it feels like it's been sucked out of all like moisture, if that makes sense. I don't know if that's what the product's meant to do. Don't get me wrong, my face feels so smooth, feels absolutely lovely, but there's definitely like, it felt like it's took it all out. So I am going to put some serum on in a minute when we finish this video. The other thing was the face mask does have a smelly residue of like feet. Like, I don't know what's happened, but I cannot smell it now, and that on my face was just this like, all this stench was just going up my nose every so often, not all the time, but every so often. Careful with that. Don't know if that's the scent of the aniseed or the banana extract like working into my face. I'm not 100% sure. But they were just my little views I saw. But my skin is really soft. I am going to put a nice moisturiser on it, a nice serum, so it's going to have that little bit of moisture back in it, but it does take all of that out, so just be careful, because it did get a little bit sore when I was like trying to wipe it and stuff. I think I'm just going to give it my review now. I'm going to give my review on the skincare product of Skin Treats that I got from Savers, the Twist and Mask Banana Clay Mask. I'm going to give it like a middle. There's some disappointing things with it, and there were some really good things in it. So the disappointing things with it, it didn't smell like proper bananas. It had a horrible little stenchy, smelly feet smell. There is like, you've got to warm it up with your finger and put it on in certain places. So they were the kind of bits that, yes, I didn't like. The things I do like about it is that it's really compact. If you want to go away for like a weekend and you don't, well, it doesn't really matter, because it's just, it is compact, but it's like, there's quite a lot in their product. You can use this quite a few times. If you want to feel like proper matte on your face, really clean, then this might be a product for you. So there is some like good and bad things, and that's why I've rated it in the middle. We have unfortunately come to the end of the skincare review testing tutorial video on the Savers Skin Treats Twist and Mask Banana Clay Mask. And my rating was a middle rating, so I would definitely use it again, but it's not my favourite. So once this product's gone, that's it. I probably wouldn't buy it again. I wouldn't try the other scents. I think they might have had apple and some other ones, so and watermelon or something like that, but I won't try the other ones, if that makes sense. So I like it as I've got it and will use it. I won't buy it again. If you like the video and the advice, the tutorial, the way I done it, anything in this video in general, then don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up, please. It tells me what you want to see, it tells me what you like, other people see it, other people like it, the video go around, and it tells me for feedback what you guys want to see. Please come and subscribe to tazwells12 by clicking the subscribe button on my main page, and you are welcome to the tazwells12 YouTuber journey and love family. Please click the bell notification when you want to be notified of any video and when I've uploaded the newest video. Comment down below on the video, I will 100% comment back to you and like your comment. Click subscribe and share with your friends and family. The video is not sponsored by products or the brands that I said in this video. It's just out of my own money what I fancied advice video for you guys, so no sponsor. Please check out my 2 Instagram accounts and of tazwells12 and tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that would be great. Like I said, this has come to the end. I hope that you've enjoyed the video and the advice I've given this. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting as always. Take care, have a lovely day or evening, and I'll see you soon, guys.